Want to make real money right from your smartphone? This video reveals a simple money-making app that can turn your spare time into serious cash. Discover how you can start earning extra income quickly and easily. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Watch now to learn more. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. It would be great if you commented below which country you are watching this video so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Earn cash playing Solitaire. Check this out. There's this cool app called Solitaire Cash where you can make some real money just by playing games. Pretty sweet, right? Solitaire Cash is the app that lets you turn your love of classic solitaire into real cash payouts. Simply download the app and start playing. Solitaire Cash makes it easy to transform your free time into extra income. Solitaire Cash app has got a sweet 4.6 star rating, and that's not from just a handful of people. We're talking a whopping 347,600 reviews. Pretty impressive, right? Looks like this game's got some serious fans. You won't believe how effortless it is to dive into the world of Solitaire Cash. The app's brilliantly simple design and smooth gameplay will have you hooked from the moment you log in. Trust me, creating an account is a breeze, and once you're in, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can jump into a game. With just a few clicks, you'll be immersed in the addictive fun of Solitaire Cash. They offer daily bonuses and rewards that'll keep you hooked and having a blast. Plus, you might even hit the jackpot if you're lucky. It's totally free to download, so why not give it a shot? Solitaire Cash games are an unbeatable opportunity to earn real money. First and foremost, these games are based on skill, not chance, giving you control over your success. The simplicity of the process is truly remarkable. Even beginners can jump right in and start winning. Imagine getting paid to enjoy your favorite pastime. Solitaire Cash players report earning hundreds of dollars per month, all while having fun and challenging themselves. It's the perfect side hustle for anyone looking to supplement their income or treat themselves to something special. What sets Solitaire Cash games apart is the seamless withdrawal system. Imagine winning and having your money in hand almost instantly. That's the reality here. This quick turnaround keeps the thrill alive and the competition fierce. Don't let this golden opportunity slip through your fingers. Solitaire Cash games are your ticket to turning your skills into cold, hard cash. Why wait? The sooner you start, the sooner you could be celebrating your winnings. Don't just dream about making money playing games. Download Solitaire Cash now and start cashing in on your solitaire skills. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about making money methods. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.